So we are the home of facial fitness. We are the first ever workout studio for your face. And basically we're founded on the idea that just like going to the gym to work out your body and transform your body, you can do the same with your face and the 40 plus muscles we have in our face.
Do you feel that?
I did.
It's like, look.
Celebrities love doing this treatment, especially for red carpet events, because of the immediate result. So after long flights, long nights, parties, and this and that, you're gonna want to have that freshness in your face. And so you're gonna feel the immediate tightness. That's the number one thing I think celebrities love. So this is our PureLift electric muscle stimulation device. It's reaching places of the face that our hands cannot reach. So it's gonna work out the micro muscles as well as the regular muscles of the face. So it's great makeup prep. You're gonna have more hydration and smoothness under the skin. Under eye bags are gonna be gone. Darkness under the eyes will dissipate. And overall, the lift is really what they like to see. That sculpt is really great for camera.
Hello, how are you doing today?
Wonderful. How are you?
Dermatologists and facialists really work sort of synergistically together, but we're really doing different things. The types of treatments that you're getting at a dermatology office are going to be more medical grade therapy. So we're using different qualities of lasers. We're able to penetrate the skin surface and really accomplish a deeper level of resurfacing or skin change. So when a celebrity comes into my office before a red carpet event specifically, what we're looking to do is we're really looking to enhance the quality of their skin. What we find looks the best on camera and on video is a really beautiful sheen to the skin surface. We're not looking at trying to change the structure of the face at that point. We really want them to look like themselves. And so enhancing the skin quality is giving them the youthfulness and the glow and the healthy, refreshed skin, as opposed to making them look different or unusual in any way. This facial is called the Hollywood laser peel. It's a great option for immediately before a red carpet event. There is zero downtime, so the skin should look immediately really luminous and radiant. So when we fire the laser at it, the carbon will come off and it will pull the dead skin cell layer with it. And what that does is it accomplishes the effects of a chemical peel without any downtime, redness, or peeling effect. We want her to be able to walk out of the office and go immediately to an event. She could go today, but that glow and radiance to the skin will last for a couple of weeks even. So the goal is never to look like you've had anything done. I always say that the best people, the people who look the most natural and the most fresh-faced, are usually people who just look like they have fantastic skin. And I think that accomplishing that is really the hardest part, making you look like the best version of yourself as opposed to enhancing or transforming the way you look. We really want you to look like you.
Like, you'll feel like, oh, it feels like something's been on my skin. Oh, baby, because we are going to have that skin looking amazing on camera. You want that glow before you're getting ready for a big event, especially something like the Oscars or any type of award show, right? You're under a lot of lighting, you're under high definition cameras, right? So you want that makeup to go on flawless. Everybody wears makeup. Males, females, everybody has a little bit of makeup on. Everybody's gonna be taking photos of you. They are waiting to say something crazy about you, right? So you wanna make sure that your skin is primed, prepped, looking amazing so that you look flawless. This is called a B peel, right? So a beauty peel is what we like to refer to it as. I want to prep her skin. I want her skin to be looking nice and beautiful and glowing for the next 72 hours, right? But I don't really want to induce any peeling in her. So right now, I am going to get ready to apply these herbs. So this is a natural herbal mixture, and what it's going to do is it's going to increase that stimulation in her skin. What that does is they micro-penetrate the skin, and it's going to help increase that cell turnover. How you feeling right now? You feel a little bit of tingling? Mm-hmm. Okay. All we needed was 2 minutes of massaging to increase that stimulation. Depending on a client's schedule, I would probably like to see them at least 2 times the week of, prepping for a particular event like the Oscars, right? So I would want to bring them in and do something like this first. And then maybe 72 hours, maybe 48 to 72 hours prior to the actual Oscars, I would bring them back in just for another quick little mini facial. I would probably do some microcurrent on them. That's going to help plump, lift. It's going to give them like a 72-hour facelift, right? Yes, it's earthy. Everything is all natural. Anytime that you are increasing stimulation in a client's skin, you want to try to bring that down as quickly as possible because it helps with their healing process. So what I'm going to be using are my ice dyes. So these are stainless steel patent cubes that are filled with glycerin to hold their temperature and to mimic ice on the client's skin. So I'm just going to do a nice little massage with her. And down a little bit. It's a very refreshing toner.
Yes.
Feels good.
I love the way this smells.
I like for my clients to walk out looking like a glazed donut, right? Their skin will slowly begin to soak up all of this product, all of these juicy nutrients that I've just infused into her skin, right?